Hello, I'm going to quickly share with you a new feature that has appeared on Google Drive, and it is brilliant. So let's crack on. Firstly, in order to see this feature, you have to be in the list view in your main Google Drive page like this. If you're not and you're in the grid view, then simply click this icon here in the top right corner, and it will toggle between list and grid layout. Or you can press keyboard shortcut V and it will do the same thing. Now that you're in list view, when you hover over any folder or file, you will now see icons appear over on this far right hand side, allowing you to take actions really quickly. So it's to bring it in line with Gmail, which already has the hover actions feature available. So what do these icons mean? Well, you can now share, download, rename, and add to the starred folder by simply clicking on these icons, which is brilliant because you used to have to go through the right-click menu to get to these. You'll also notice a checkbox appear over on to the left of the file or folder name, meaning that you can select multiple files or folders and take action by using the icons at the top of the page here. So there you have a real quick update for Google Drive. I have to say I love this one as I use the hover actions in Gmail all the time. So what do you think? Do you like this new feature? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.